Hey explorers, I am Jessica, and today on Exploring the Local Life, Robert is going to give you some pro tips on how to dump that Honeywagon.
So the first rule is always use latex gloves, right? Alright, this is going to be... You don't want to fill up your tank all the way with black or even gray. You just want to put a little in there. And then always finishing with gray.
I can already smell it. What a treat.
Yep, treat for boy and girl.
Delish. Woo! Y'all hear that? That's the sound of our waste. What happened? Is it already full?
Well, that black tank has a big old hose on it. Big old drain. Then you get a visual. Our float broke off, so this little float warning doesn't work.
Nice.
Yeah.
It makes it that much more exciting. We wouldn't want this task to be boring.
No, not at all.
Of course, I'm not the one that's doing it, so...
Alright, so that's all the black I'm gonna dump right now. And the rest we're gonna do gray. You should see Jessica's expression right now.
This is so bad.
Yep, there's a little bit of seepage that happens because we're missing a gasket. Now where you're gonna see spill is gray water, not black water.
That's why you always do your gray at the end. Ooh.
So that was like maybe half a cup that spilled.
Yeah.
And you don't lollygag around because then the black will start to mix with the gray. And always hold things away at eye level so it can splash right in your face. This hose does collapse in on itself. And you can smell the gases escaping.
It's so good.
It's so good.
All right. Let's go take this down.
Yep. There we go. Secured.
Secured.
Okay folks, I have a pro tip for you. These tanks come with these air vents and they let the waste dump faster, so you just pop them open, right? No. You want it to go slow. Because you don't know if this is full or if it fills up and then goes down. So you want a slow progression here. Get as close as you can, because you also want to use this S to prevent the loss of waste too quickly. And then you can control it if there's an accident about to happen. So if this was filling up too fast, yank it up and stop the flow. Put it back down, the flow resumes. Nice and slow because it's not getting a lot of air inside of it. So watch. Fast. Oh, it filled up. And then it dries down. So keeping these valves closed is in your best interest. Pro tip number 2, you don't know how fast the water is going to come out of this cheap hose at the waste station.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it and then maybe you learned some things. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. We will see you guys later. Thank you. Bye.